Hi everyone, welcome back to Investing for Income 101. Today, I'll try to do the live trading again. Uh, so remember, we are working on the beat SPY strategy. Essentially, we are trying to beat the SPY performance by selling covered calls. And there are always these tricky gotchas that happen. Sometimes the stock is too high, sometimes the stock is too low. So I'm hoping to show you how these situations can be handled. So far, we had only one short call or covered call trade, and that expired worthless. So all the $317 was a profit to our pocket. So I would like to again sell a covered call today. I was hoping to sell it earlier because our previous call expired on Friday, and that was, I think, right here on the chart. And unfortunately, the market the next day, on Tuesday, the market had the worst day of 2023 and went really down. And I don't want to sell covered calls when the market is down. So that's why I waited. Wednesday, the market went down a little more. And today is nicely coming back up. So right now, SPY is around 401.50. So it's a good place to to sell. So if I look at the strike prices, uh, really 2 to 4 weeks away. So I actually pulled the options here already, 2 to 4 weeks. So 2 weeks, well, really weak, just week and one day would be March 3rd. Uh, two weeks is March 10 and 3 weeks is March 17. So I will go with March 17. And the strike prices, so I looked at theta and delta, and that's kind of what I took a screenshot. This is from TD Ameritrade just a few minutes ago. And you can see right now about 2% away would be 410, 411. So those two strikes, 410, of course, has bigger, higher price. So I'll probably go with this one. The delta for the 410 call is 32. So that means there is a 68% chance it will stay uh, out of money, which we want. And the decline roughly 15 cents a day, or 0.15, which is actually pretty good. And I may not keep it all the way to the expiration. We'll see how the market behaves. Okay, so let's get to it. SPY is still around. Oh, okay. It went down a little bit. Too bad. Okay, so when it was 401.50, that would have been better. But that's it. It's all good. So okay, so let me change. Actually, let me change to just today and see how the behavior is. Okay, so if we wait a little bit, there's a good chance it'll reach 401.50 again. So this is a 1 minute chart, so very noisy. Yep, it's going there. So okay, so and I said I would do the March 17 410 call. So this is it. So I want to sell it. So I click on the bid, and I just want to sell one. Make sure this is cash. So we're selling this. Make sure it's in the right account. Yes, quantity one. And let's try 350. And preview and place. Okay, so the market is moving a little bit away from us. I'll see if, okay, so we don't need this part anymore. So let me close it. And here is the call that we are trying to sell. So it's 410 expiring March 17th, and the limit 450. Okay, so it's a little bit, so the, SPY is coming back a little bit. The call is coming back a little bit, 47. Normally, I mean, it's just a few bucks. It's not worth, waiting for it that long. See, now it's again kind of moving away. So yeah, I'll give it a few more seconds. Yeah, and then I'll just probably sell it. So SPY is really good. You can see the difference between bid and ask. It's very close, right? This just 2 cents difference, or even 1 cent at times. So trading options on SPY is really good. You don't lose much, on the difference between bid and ask. And okay, so again, there was an attempt to go higher, but it's not going. Okay, so just to remind you, we have 100 shares of SPY. I also have some shares of Starwood and Rhythm, so that there is no cash just lying around. Right now, this shows $10.10, but it's actually incorrect. The cash available in the account is just 83 cents. So I'm keeping it pretty low. And okay, so clearly the waiting is not really paying off. So let me change this. And yeah, I think. All right. So I'll change it to 345. I think that should be doable. And give it a second or two. And hopefully the trade got filled. I mean, if I waited a little bit longer, I would probably get the 350, but I don't want to keep this video too long. So okay, so we got 350, $345 extra in the account. So I can actually go and take a look. Let's see, Rhythm 926, Starwood is under 20. So what I'm going to do, so 2,345. So I can buy about 77, hold on, 17 shares of Starwood. So let's do that. So buy 17, 1971. Let's see how much money it is. $335. Perfect. And place. Okay, and that got filled. So again, not much money left in the account right now. I have about $10. I'll probably keep it, or I might buy Rhythm if I feel like it. But it's not a big deal. $10 here and there. And by the way, you can see that yeah, the option still is trading between 47, 48. So good. We are in. Everything is ready for the options to start again declining in value and hopefully bring us some more profits. That's it from me today. If you don't want to miss the next update on the position or live trading, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and I hope to see you next time.